Nationals. Not national. Nationals. Hi there everyone. So Christmas Day I'm on my commute to work because I for some reason volunteered to do that. I wanted just to give some ideas about what's happening with our channel and what we got planned for the future. Now I'm currently studying university, which is taking up a lot of my time at the moment, and of course I've obviously got the part-time job. Now with this being said, we do look at for coming year to get things done. We're looking at doing obviously the air ambulance ride in Essex if at all possible. We're going to be doing the Boundary 500 Santa ride again, but those later in the year. Okay, we're obviously trying to get out day rides across the various roads and areas around the northeast whenever we can get those in. Unfortunately I do have to work weekends, so a pair of us getting out is a bit of a challenge. Other adventures we got, I want to do the Royal British Legion Challenge 1000, so to ride the 1000 miles in 24 hours. Obviously that's going to be pushing my limits, and a bit preparing for that I'm going to aim to do longer and longer rides so that I'm more comfortable sitting in the bike saddle and what have you. So obviously I'll be keeping you updated on how that's going. Once we've got everything confirmed and finalised, we'll be setting up the donation page to give to a worthwhile charity. Now speaking of charities, another one that's near and dear to my heart will be the mental health motorcycle. Having recently completed the mental health first aider course, we are both now official mental health first aid motorcyclists. So we want to promote that charity and get as many people as possible involved, and obviously get people to talk about any issues they may be having on, whether publicly or privately. Obviously, given the nature of it, feel free to get in touch either with me or through the motorcycle website. I'll put a link in the description. Anything else that we come up with, as I say, just stay tuned, subscribe, like, and make comments. I'd love to hear what people would like us to do and what have you, and any advice on improving our video editing, because at the moment I'm a bit rubbish, I will admit to that, but I'm aiming to get better every day. Thank you very much. Bye now. Nationals. Nationals!